Recent studies show that up to 25% of the energy loss in buildings is caused by gaps and cracks around joinery. The air tightness of the building envelope is an important factor to determine the energy performance of a building. A good air tightness level can decrease the energy consumption of a building significantly. In order to reach the required maximum energy consumption levels, as imposed by the European Directive for Energy Performance of Buildings, airtight construction will be a must. Airtight connections also help to reduce the risk of draft and mold. During a blower door test, a clear indication of air leaks can be detected with an infrared camera. On these images, a clearly lower temperature around the joinery indicates a significant air leak. Raina's aluminium launches Reynaconnect in addition to its existing product range. This total solution provides an optimal building connection of joinery and is available for the window, door and sliding door range. Reynaconnect has three functions: rainproof, insulation and air tightness. The airtight membrane is available in two variants: a flat membrane for processing on the building site and a patented folded membrane that can be applied under controlled circumstances on the production floor. The folding membrane has a butyl layer for an optimal airtight adhesion to the aluminium and can be directly plastered. This prefab membrane is applied in one piece around the frame. To compensate for the difference between the dimension of the window and window opening, a loop of a couple of centimeters is applied around the edges. The beginning and end of the foil overlap. The membrane is compact during transport and can be unfolded to reach 200 millimeters. To avoid damaging the membrane, the anchors are fastened on a dedicated finishing profile. This profile is fixed onto the frame. This will provide a better adhesion and protection of the foil during transport and on the building site. The breathable, damp-open compression tape contains a self-adhesive strip and is rainproof up to 600 PA without having to use an extra sealant. The compression tape is applied on the outer sides of the window. When expanding, the tape seals all uneven parts in the outer wall. The anchoring detail is placed further back, which facilitates plastering. The elastic foam provides an optimal thermal and acoustical insulation of the space around the window. Due to its elasticity, the foam doesn't rupture as a result of the movement of the different building parts and thereby guarantees the insulating characteristics. To create a flat surface for the foil, foam bulges are cut off. The foil is stretched to 200 millimeters after the window is installed on site. The membrane is glued onto the wall by means of the lap seal. This offers an excellent adhesion even on rough or irregular surfaces. The lap seal is applied evenly in a zigzag or a double line. The window now has an airtight connection to the wall. The interior is ready for finishing. The airtight membrane is also available in a flat version for application on the building site. The membrane has to be cut in strips according to the window dimensions. The strips are applied with the butyl layer on the finishing profile, overlapping the frame profile by 2 to 3 millimeters. The membrane also needs to overlap in the corners.